about a month without a car.
Oh no.
Yeah, the body shop, but they had me take it to. They couldn't put the bumper on. They didn't want to put the bumper back on, even though it was still in one piece. It's like, oh, I have to like wait for them to order a new one. It's a lot of it. Ooh. It's hard for me too. It's hard for me. Oh.
Finding more news on that, and the doctor even said that he's heard bits and pieces of what's going on over there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's bad. I mean, and he was in agreement with me that why would you go to somebody's deathbed?
No.
Well, because you have to think Titanic went down. It was supposed to be the unsinkable ship.
Oh yeah.
And now people are just sitting there.
No.
I mean, and dying because unless they get them out.
Oh yeah.
It's not a good thing.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty sad. I mean, why would you take that at risk and put yourself down there? See, this is what I'm afraid of. Ocean Gate Titanic sub search. Coast Guard says more banging noises heard, but source unconfirmed. And they've got only till tomorrow. These people are in there knowing that they're going to die if something doesn't happen. No real news on that one. You're going up a little further. When it starts to look funny, turn, that's the one you want.
I came this way. Yeah. Oh no, I pretty well travel. Oh yeah. Yeah. No, I'm always. Well, since I was a kid, I always look at maps. I'm always reading it.
Oh, that's good. Yeah,
I don't know. Even places I never lived in, I know where things are. Like even my parents, they go to the same place all the time, and they always forget how to get there, and I don't. Like I actually get out of the house and actually go places. Yeah, they can be a handful a lot of the time. Like, oh yeah.
That rehab center is such a disaster.
Oh.
You walk in. Well, I was there for 2 months. You walk into it, and the first set of rooms you see, every room has a TV that you can put right in front of you, and it has a telephone and everything. But if you're that's your short term. But if you're long term, there's no TVs, no phones, and those rooms that do have TVs are all the TVs in the room are hooked up. So if you're watching TV and your roommate wants to watch TV, they can turn your channel, and you're like, what's going on? Because it's all connected together.
Oh yeah.
I hated it. It was like, get me out of here. I finally had it and said, look, you either get me out of here or I'm walking out.
Oh.
They had lost some of my clothes, owed me $350.
Oh.
I settled for $250.
Oh. Oh, wow. Oof. Oh, yeah. That's odd. Let's see.
So just go straight down. I'll show you exactly where I'm at. We can go in the back door. You right around here, behind this truck, you'll see it on number 20.
Oh, yeah.
That's mine. I fought for that space.
No.
Because they didn't want to give me a space because I don't drive.
Oh.
But I said, no, I have to have a place for the people that come in to be with me. And I said, no, I've got to. And so they finally settled for, okay, we'll give it to you.
Oh, oh.